Okay, we got the Allies' turn for turn 8. The world is almost at full war. It's a good thing that Michael's on vacation because I'm about to be on a trip until Thursday, so it's a good time to chill. In the meantime, we'll keep things boiling. So we got UK up. Let's do UK tech. We've got 2 tech dice. We're gonna try to get radar, help out with the submarines, and then long range aircraft. So here is the 2 dice. 5 and 3. No misses. Unfortunate. So for buys for the UK, looks like we're gonna upgrade a light carrier, infantry, seaplane, fighter for 24. Anzac is buying a infantry and saving. What are they saving? Are they saving? They're gonna land lease a KMT AAA. Well, I guess wait. I have to think about factory production now. They have 1 factory production. They can do either or. Tell you what, we'll just upgrade to militia, upgrade lend lease a KMT artillery. That'll be 8 for them. And then the FEC are actually going to buy a fighter for 10. Upgrade militia. And so that's 10, 12, buy 2 militia. For 10, 12, 14, 16. Spending all the money for everybody. Righto, we've got um, combat moves. So there's a lot of subs coming out, rolling out. We've got to try to kill some of them. We've got a seaplane. Oh, wait, I got to do some corrections. Okay, so medium factory is not attacked. Um, and then you guys, did you? I hope you didn't lose a fighter. Did you lose a 1, 2? I think you lost a fighter in the escort attack. I haven't seen your video for a couple days, but let me circle this. Um, and this question mark is, I think you get that back. And then medium bomber had only 5 movement at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it didn't have these landing spots. So honestly, like you probably keep it here because that gives you the most flexibility to attack medium factory or other things. So I'm going to put this medium bomber in here. I'll circle it so you see it. That's a weird circle. All right, just keep in mind there's a medium bomber here. I'll throw it right here so it's not as hidden. Another correction. Why did I think of another correction that I could have? Oh, can't deliver submarine import for the land lease. Um, I'll think of the. I had something in my mind and I forgot what it was. So, okie doke. Let's roll or move. So English, the seaplane. It's gonna go 1, 2. Attack one of these submarines. Um, we are going to not escort it with anything. The one British transport is going to pick up 2 guys. We're going to pluck off islands just like Italians were doing to us. Let's throw a mountain infantry. So infantry's there. So that's a +2 for the British, -2 for the Italians. Good move right here. I don't think I'm going to be able to take it. I think you're going to be able to snag Iraq, both of them. And then other combat moves. Can I bomb anything to be annoying? Absolutely I can. So I'm going to bomb this railroad right here with my medium bomber. No scramble opportunities. So I'm just going to do it now. Oof. Okay. So there's one combat there. We're going to raid up here 2 times. And that should do. Most of it's non-combat this turn. So, actually, before I do that, I want to seaplane attack this bad boy. Oh, interesting. I could attack that. Ooh. I didn't plan that out. You have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I was thinking about this seaplane that I could attack. But really, oh, you're going to use it to... That's clever. Convoy raid more. I could go in there with a medium bomber, tactical, and a fighter versus 2 fighters. That is, I think, a 7 and 2 7s, and then a 6. And the seaplane can't be taken as a casualty in that land battle. I think I might do that instead. That's still going to attack there. And then these bad boys, 1, 2, 3. No, I'm sorry, I'm changing my plan. I'm not going to do that because I need the light carriers with the planes to guard the transport lines. And you get that seaplane for free. Good job. You get to take that. All right. Dice, dice, dice. Let's roll dice. Black is subs. Red is defender. 1 damage. Okay. One damage gets subtracted from the Germans. Let's go for the Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact. Comintern, where are you at? It's okay for now, but be careful about taking your dice and then unless you didn't do that. I don't know if you rolled. I stopped paying attention, but you clicked at the end. It's a little thing. I really don't care, but it's just so there's no shenanigans between you guys breaking your pact. All right, let's roll dice. I get a D12 against the sub. Sub doesn't roll back 1 time. Oh, that sub dies. All right, killed 1. Non-combat time. Okay, so tactical bombers going here. Actually, let's land this seaplane back. This medium bomber back. This coastal ship has 2 movement because it's at a major port. 1, 2, got there. This TB destroyer is going to go here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That seaplane, which actually attacked here. 1, 2, Oh, it has to move back too. I think I had. Yeah, that's fine. And then one transport is going to pick up one Marine, one artillery. I guess this should have been combat moves 1, 2, 3 in a second because I'm gonna do. I figured I was gonna do this so you didn't really have a favorable attack, but I was gonna go through here, and I was non-combating. Battleship has um, one heavy cruiser, two heavy cruiser, destroyer. So it mitigates your first attack, and cruiser. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 against 1, 2, 3, 4. No first strike. You can make that. We can make that attack retroactively. You have 2 4s, 2 2s versus 2 6s. No, 3 6s and a 4. But I figure that's enough to protect it. So this transport's going through. Only 2 guys off here. This Anzac transport is going to go 1, 2, 3, and it's going to do a strategic naval move actually. So I'll restart that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Land in this port. Where are these 2 guys? We'll hang out here, waiting to be whisked away somewhere. This British destroyer is gonna chill there. So I guess I put this on convoy. It wouldn't be able to participate in defending these subs. So I'm not gonna put this on convoy. But I am moving. These guys are gonna move in with that. So it's at the port there. We're gonna move these 2. I don't think the battleships have to be in the dockyard to get repaired. I looked through the rules before this. But if they do, they'll hang out here. But we are going to put these guys in port anyway, just because it gives us more movement. I don't know if this is like how I was looking at this, but like if you put ships in port, like 1, 2, then like they get like a free movement if they want to go this way, like 1, 2. I thought it was pretty interesting. Unless I was reading that wrong, that'd be pretty. Because these guys go 1, pop in a port, and then go like 1, 2, 3, and like get over here pretty quickly. This guy will go port 2, yeah. That's a mess. Whatever. Okay. So this like carrier's defending 1, 2. I want this like carrier to go. One, two, 1, 2. And then this destroyer will go off of escort duty. So that sub can't blow up that light carrier. Don't know if the fighter participates in the defense. I'll have to refresh myself in this. This is good practice. This is stuff I'm not too familiar with as once we start getting the naval rules. This guy's going down to here. This guy's going down to here. We're gonna move 1 plane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here. destroyer will go 1, 2, go on escort duty there. One destroyer will go 1, 2, 3. Go on escort duty here. I don't know what these guys are doing. We're gonna have light cruiser. Escort duty here. The heavy cruiser. We're gonna have a light cruiser. Gonna heavy duty here. The heavy cruiser. I don't have the first strikes. I have to be kind of careful of that. These guys could scramble, I think, out of this dockyard to attack here. So what if I just keep you confined to here? No, I think I have enough ships. Yeah, all right. If you want to raid there, wait, this transport's screwed. Honestly, I'd rather keep the transport alive right now. All right, no more raiding there. You can have your free raids. Or, wait a sec, why don't I just make this up so you have forced to go into my aircraft range? Heavy cruiser, light cruiser, this destroyer. I actually surprisingly ran out of ships that I wanted to do fun stuff with. This guy that with 1, 2 into port here is actually going to go back. That's 6. 1, 2, 3. Against 1, 2, 3, 4. And then where's the tactical bomber? 1, 2, 3. And then what about the aircraft? The aircraft coming in 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, all right. Let's see. Heavy cruiser, heavy cruiser. Yeah, I'm curious. Let's see what goes down here. I think it'll give you probably want to attack this. You can screen for your transport, maybe. Oh my god, I forgot. I should have played this out further. Okay. Don't worry, Mark. You got this. You got this. I want to keep that transport in port there. Battle cruiser. And 1, 2. Some coastal subs have 1 movement. Oh, I can't figure this out. All right. I wish I knew how to splice videos, but last time I did, I messed things up. Huh. Okay. Bring everything to here. This guy's gonna heal. These guys are gonna stay here. I'm gonna let you do whatever you want, man. Go crazy. Fighter here. Medium bomber here. Gonna raid the crap out of this line. That's okay. These guys are here. These guys are here. Good enough, man. Good enough. Good enough. Let's place units. Oh, what about over here? Any changes over here? Nope. Nope. Coastal sub chilling. Let's place units. All right. Light carriers going in port. Fighter's going to be placed at this factory. And then seaplanes coming here. Infantry's popping up here. Like that. Now we are at British fighter. British militia. Alright, so about 2 British militia upgrade. And then 2 British militia with a British fighter. And then, last but not least, Anzac military, KMT. That's what happens if you don't plan your full turnout in advance, but ain't nobody got time for this. Mistakes will be made. KMT, AAA. Looks good. That's it for British. British collect 27. I have it. Plus, ooh, that's handy. 32. Then 7 and is that 14? Interesting. How did I get another one? Do you complete an aircraft carrier? I don't know how I got another one. Somebody knew. If it's not supposed to be that, I can figure it out later. 14. Nope, I'm just silly because I thought this was KMT, but it's FEC. Never mind, disregard. Okay, on to Free France. Free France has 2 units on the whole board, I think. This unit right here and this unit. And it's going to stay like that for a while. So they're just going to collect $1 and contemplate their life decisions. All right, so Italy's going to be going later. Michael's cool with that, so we're going to go into KMT. So KMT is going to keep doing its guerrilla tactics. We want 2 cavalry here, 2 cavalry here. Actually, this militia's going to go into here. 2 cavalry going to go into here. 1, 2 into there. So 2, 2, 2. Our unit factory is going to be in trouble. Oh, so before that, we got to do purchases. So we're going to do 2 AAAs and an infantry for all of it. Okay. And then I was thinking about doing a bombing against that factory, but I have to land out here. I don't really want to land there yet. So medium bomber here. And then our fighters. Let's do 1 fighter here. 1 fighter here. And another fighter here. So use a river penalty. Honestly, what if I do like, yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's roll dice. We've got 2 cavalry at a 2 because they're across the river. Well, I don't know why that's just 6. Oh, it's for the, yeah, when we get to that 2 cavalry at a 2, 2 infantry, or let's do the fighter in red, and then 2 Japanese infantry, blue. Hitting at 4s, fighters hitting at 6, 2s. Okay, one hit on both sides. So now these are at 3s, 6s, 1s. Misses. Five's a hit. So infantry goes down. Hope pie's taken. KMT go up 1. Japanese go up 1. Alright, KMT to go to 4. Japanese go to 31. Okay, now for this battle, we've got a 3. We've got a 1. Make that a color. That weird color. 3. A fighter is red. Infantry is 4. So 3, 1, 6, 4. This is a 3. That was a hit. So infantry goes down. Alright, so KMT go up 2. Japanese go down 2. On to the next battle. We've got this right here. So infantry at a, or militia at a 1, cavalry at a 2. We'll do the medium bomber at a 7, and then we'll do a cavalry, or the fighter black versus 2 infantry blues. So this is a 1, 2, 6, 7, 2 4s. Miss, 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 miss. Everything missed. One hit, one hit. Okay, so we both got a hit. And then we roll again. Oh shit, I messed up. I forgot to take out the dice. So there was hits all around. I apologize. It's 50-50. Let me restart. I'm going to take that one out, take that one out. Roll again. Got a hit. Ah, my bad, Michael. Forgot to roll the dice there. I'm just going to kill both of them. That feels weird. So you keep the territory. Okay, so non-combat there. Keep that there. Fighter stay there. Keep that there. Okay, so we're at total of 6 plus 2 for the Burma Road is 8. So now, place our units. We're going to place 2 anti-aircrafts here. And then the militia placement, let's throw this bad boy down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Three. In Yenin. That's it. As for the USA will have techs to roll. Got 7 tech dice, so we do improved construction, amphibious doctrine, heavy armor, jet fighters, long range aircraft, heavy strategic bombers, strategic bombers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heavy strategic bombers is a hit. Strategic rockets miss. Long range aircraft is a hit. Jet fighters is a hit. Heavy armor's hit. Nice. That's done. Amphibious doctrine's a hit. Okay, it's good tech. And then proof construction's a hit. Nice. Got a lot of tech up. And then for purchases, we're going to land lease a should we do a seaplane? That would have 1, 2, 3 seaplanes. It's pretty good. It's a pretty formidable seaplane force. Don't have to worry about seaplanes anymore for the time being. Yeah, let's do a seaplane to the UK. And then we're going to land lease the KMT a AAA. And then the Free French a transport aircraft. Do we have any other allies that we could send stuff to? The Comintern, but they're not helping us right now, so we're not going to help them. So that is, first seaplane is 7. French transport is 8. That is 15, 19. So 53 minus 19 is 43. My brain is not working. I need a calculator. Where's a calculator? There's not one on this map. Hang tight. I have a calculator. 53 minus 19. 34. All right, we're at 34. We're going to place units. I don't think, can we move our stuff yet? We have an income roll. Forgot about that. Okay. Income roll. It's a little obnoxiously big last time, but we're going to roll this. You can't make that up. All right, we're at 12. At 43. That was slow motion shit. All right, so right, 31 is 43. Okay, so we can move everything. We still like this buy here. We're gonna move stuff around. We're going to. I actually have not thought where to move, so I'm literally not gonna do this right now because I still have some turns to figure it out. So place units. French transport. The capital. British seaplane here. KMT AAA goes zoop through here. And it's there. All right, and then we collect 43 plus 34. 43 plus 34 is 77. We're at 77. That's it. Have a good vacation, Michael. We'll play when you get back.